Hey everybody, welcome back to the Light Minute with Spectrum Lighting. I'm Markus Earley. Let's go explore what's possible with light. In today's session, we're going to discuss light level ratios for interior accent lighted objects. In other words, how to make an object pop to command the appropriate visual attention. Understanding this concept can save precious design time and allow one to specify lighting equipment with confidence. One of the ways that we see is by luminance contrast, the inherent contrast of the tones or colors of a figure and its background. Think of words on a page. In addition, contrasting light levels between a figure and its background also help us to see. Think of sunlight streaming through the oculus of the Pantheon. In terms of grayscale values, we will look at light and medium figurines against light and medium backgrounds at 3 different light level ratios between the figures and the backgrounds: 3:1, 5:1, and 10:1. Please note, although we cannot see the light that illuminates objects, they are measured in reflected patterns of brightness with luminance. We communicate design intent with illumination levels measured in foot candles or lux. This is for objectivity and to allow us to communicate in a consistent fashion. Plus, artwork may not be selected during the design process. As you can see, regardless of the inherent contrast ratio between figure and background, a 3:1 illuminance ratio does not have much punch. Our eyes can handle much higher ratios, so don't be shy. And as always, be mindful of the potential for glare from the light fixtures, as discussed in Light Minute 1. With a 5:1 illuminance ratio, the results begin to look dramatic, and higher inherent contrast between the figure and the background contributes to the visual effect. And of course, having the foreground and background lighting on separate dimmers allows flexibility in creating the desired effect. And with a 10:1 illuminance ratio, the figurines really pop, so be bold. And as always, be mindful of overall illumination levels and exposure time as related to light-sensitive objects or artwork. At Spectrum Lighting, we care about the results of the quality of your project. If you have questions, please post them below. And stay tuned for the next Light Minute with Spectrum Lighting. Thanks.